In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase transparency in Canva. We'll walk through this using text as an example, but the same idea applies to many elements in Canva, like shapes and some graphics. By the end, you'll know exactly where the transparency control is and how to use it to create softer, more professional looking designs. First, open your design in Canva and make sure you're on the page or slide where you want to adjust the transparency. Look for the text element you want to work with. This could be a heading, a subheading, or a small body text box. Click once directly on the text. When you do this, you should see a bounding box appear around it, along with a toolbar at the top of the screen. That toolbar shows options specifically for the item you've selected. Clicking on the text is important because Canva only shows the transparency option when an element is actively selected. If you don't see the right toolbar, click away on the blank canvas, then click on the text again to reselect it. Now that your text is selected and the toolbar is visible, look along the top for the transparency icon. In Canva, this usually looks like a small checkered or faded square, and it's located above the canvas area near options like position, flip, and sometimes a 3-dot more menu. If your screen is smaller or you don't immediately see transparency, it might be tucked inside that more menu, so click that if needed. Once you find and click on transparency, a slider will appear. This slider lets you control how opaque or see-through your text is. Dragging the slider to the left will reduce the opacity, which means your text becomes more transparent and blends more with the background. Dragging it to the right will increase the opacity, making the text more solid and bold. As you move the slider, keep an eye on your design and adjust until the text is easy to read but not overwhelming. A lower transparency can work well over busy photos or colored backgrounds, giving a softer look while still keeping your message visible. When you're happy with how it looks, simply click anywhere outside the slider to close it. Your transparency setting is saved automatically, so there's no extra step needed, and that's all there is to it. Select your text, click the transparency option above, and use the slider to fine-tune the look.